How to record videos with any two lenses at the same time on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, open up the camera app, then tap on the control button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Now scroll down, and in here, make sure you turn on Dual Record. Tap on the toggle button to turn on Dual Record. Then we go back to camera. Now at the bottom here, we tap on it and then swipe across and tap on more. After that, in here, you want to select Dual Record. Then tap on this lens selection button. From here, you can choose any of the four lenses. You can choose the front lens and the ultra wide, or you can choose the ultra wide or the wide. At any one time, you can only select two lenses. Okay, so here I can choose front and telephoto and tap on OK. So we got the front and telephoto. So front and telephoto, and then tap on OK. So we got the front here and telephoto, or you can choose the front and ultra wide, and then tap on OK. So we got the front and ultra wide. So the front, I'll select this one and this one, and then tap on OK. So I'll change that. So I want to. So I think the front always going to be a big one. So it is. So the front one always going to be the bigger screen, and then any other lenses will be for the smaller screen up here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.